Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today I welcome you from Spain, from Madrid, and I'm on my way to get me a new old car. So many people from Germany or from Northern Europe go to Southern Europe to get a more or less rust-free classic car. Most of the cars are coming from Italy, from southern France, and some also go into the effort to get those cars from the United States. You hardly hear from cars taken from Spain. I don't know why, so I figure I'm going to do that. And doing so, I figured, why not going to the most southern part of Europe possible to have a nice long drive back to northern Germany. So being in Madrid now, in the middle of Spain, I'm obviously not there yet, but I will go there tonight. And I hope the car, which I choose with the help from my friend Tony, really meets my expectations, and that in the next week, after some days in the nice warm weather, I'll be on my way back north. So join me on this adventure. Until then, have a good time. As I told you, from Madrid, I was planning to go to one of the most southern points of Europe, and I made it. So here I am in a place, in a small village quite close to Las Palmas on Gran Canaria, one of the Canarian Islands. Some days have passed, and in the meantime I could retrieve the new car, and I'm standing right in front of it. I'll take a look. So, what can I say? I only saw the car from some pictures and videos my friend took in my absence, because it's just too far. It's 4,500 kilometers from northern Germany, and he drove it, he looked at it and said the car is running fine. So I went there, and the guy who's selling the car was very, very nice. I could test drive it. I heard some issues with the car, and here it is. It is a W115. It's built in 1973, a January model, and this should make it a Series 1.5. So one of those made in between the Series 1 and the Series 2. It is, as you can see, in a light green metallic color. This is the original color, but it has been repainted. Not too great, but as you know, on the Canarian Island, and sorry for the noise because I'm on the road here, there's no rust. No rust is not true, because of course here you can't see a lot of water, but over that edge in that direction is the sea, so there is some salt in the air, but there's hardly no rain. I think you have about, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 days of rain in a year, and this car has been parked up for quite a while. As I said, W115 in, well, somehow vintage, nice, beautiful condition. It's a diesel, of course, because it makes life easier with an old car. It has no sunroof, which is kind of a pity, but otherwise, well, look at it. It's not 100% original, because the bumper belonged to the coupe version, I believe. And yeah, from the underside there has been no welding, no nothing. Everything looks very good, except maybe the set of tires. In the back there have been some years on the car, but it has been hardly moved. The car, it says it has 33,000 kilometers, but of course, yeah, there's 100 or maybe a 200 or maybe a 300 before it. Maybe you can put some guesses, because that's all I have, into the comments. This is the original interior. I think the headrests have been refitted, but otherwise everything is just from stock. I think the steering wheel has been added later. I don't know if it was an official option to have it in white. Usually they were black. As you can see, the stereo is not standard and it's not working at all. The radiator, the heater for the inside is not working, because over here you don't want it to work, and it has never been used, but I will show you in greater detail. Here you can see the pedals, and maybe that tells us something about the age of the car. Well, the age is 52 years, but yeah, is this 230,000, 330,000 or more? The engine looks perfect. It's kind of bone dry. There's a little drippage of diesel from the injection pump, but very small. There is some noise from the backside differential and or from the rear wheel bearings. I have been to a local garage, a real nice guy who checked it and said, well, to fix it here on the island, it's not impossible, but it's quite a strain, and I don't really have the time here, because soon my ferry to the mainland is leaving. But he says the car should be good to go. Well, from here it's 4,500 kilometers. When I get off the ferry in Huelva, Spain mainland in the south, it will be about 3,500 kilometers, which I plan to drive on this car, in this car. So this is it, and follow me for the trip to Germany. I'm really looking forward to it. It will be a real adventure. As I said, the engine is running fine, the gearbox is manual, a four gear standard gearbox, perfectly fine. I drove it here on the island for, I don't know, 200 plus kilometers now. The car is not heating up, not overheating, temperature is perfect, it's running fine, it's starting, it's stopping, the brakes are good. What I also can add is that it has like MOT, ITUB, TÜV, annual safety inspection, about new. So let's hope I'm not running into any issues. Looking forward, just follow me.